Hi, this is Bill Hoerr from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Doing a quick video walkthrough of this new listing that I'm taking. It's a 2019 Sailfish 245 dual console. Boat's in excellent condition. It's got low hours on the Yamaha 300. Up here, moving up to the helm area, you can see it's got the Garmin screen, Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF. It comes with a windlass, it's got trim tabs. Boat's very loaded. And again, in great condition. Nice full windshield wraparound. Great to get out any weather conditions. Also to get under any wind if it's chilly out that day. Scanning back to the cockpit of the boat, you can see it's got a nice large cockpit. You got fold-away seats, so if you're entertaining family and guests that day and you're not fishing, you got seats that can fold down. And then if you are fishing, you can just fold these seats away and you have a nice open cockpit. Great for having a lot of people and able to get those rods in the water. Along the back of the boat there, we do have a freshwater washdown. Got your battery charger and your tender right there that shows you what your charge is on your batteries. Rod holders across the back, and then your bait well over on the port side. Fish box down in the floor there. This is kind of your convertible co-captain, co-pilot chair, if you want to call it that. There is storage underneath with a removable cooler. And that seat right there can go in multiple directions, so you can accommodate more guests out on the water that day. Along the port side as well, one of the great things about this dual console, very large head compartment, got a freshwater sink, vacuum flush head, cup holders, storage, all kinds of space in there. You have storage along the door as well. And then continuing up to the bow area, nice large seating area, very deep, grab handles for safety if you have young ones. But you have a table that can go in there as well, and then you also have insulated boxes under the seats there where you can store stuff, and then that windlass is all the way far forward. Thank you for taking that walkthrough with me. If you have any questions, again, my name is Bill Hoerr out of MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. You can reach me on my direct office line, which is 609-601-4480. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the water.